Seasoning up. Greetings. It is yours truly, Jahdon. And I'm in the kitchen today. It's been a while, but right now we are dealing with some Rasta pastas today. One of my Empress favorites. So, right now, we start the pot already. Season everything in the pot. Onion, tomato, you know what I mean, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, all of the greatness them. Anything where you want to put in it, if you want to put in your garlic in it, your scallion, a piece of pumpkin, trust me, everything, you know, and make that go and simmer with a little bit of oil. Alright. Yes, sir, so the ackee and the pasta is cooked and ready. So, trust me, it's 2 more time I cook, I remember so I cook for the people and me just in my element and I do my thing. But add the coconut milk to the season. Make it fry up for probably about 5 minutes. And then we add the coconut milk to it. So make that cook down forward and then we add the Rasta pasta into that and stir it up. You know what time it is. And look at it. So the pasta and ackee is ready. We're gonna put it in. Do remember for drain the pasta, you see me? And then we stir it in. You can put the amount of salt that you want into it. And some people don't want no salt in it because the coconut get all of the vibes already, you know what I mean? The amount of coconut where you put in it, it's good already. Some people can't eat them food without adding a little salt to it. So you add the amount where you can consume. You know what I mean? So now it's all about just stirring everything together. Make the ackee and the season pass through, pass around, everywhere, you know? Just right. Yeah, man, trust me. Where's the taste it and let me know what
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Pepper, Jahdon?
Yes.
Rasta
Right,
pasta,
man.
you know?
Nice.
Yes, I. Rasta pasta, something different, you know?
Yeah, man. Like back for seconds, you know. So.
Where's the who missed this?
Yes. Enough people miss it, man. Same time when you forward and just
The
make
place
sure
to
no,
be.
Yes, make sure you get to know.
Rasta
Rasta
pasta.
pasta.
Yes, I. Yeah, man, Chris himself and us. Cooking today.